Hello everyone, welcome back to Karbi channel. So this is English into Karbi Translation. Without any further delay, let's start the video. English into Karbi Translation. Market, market. Karbi penke hithi, hithi. Hithi means market. Shop, shop. Karbi penke kulat, kulat. Door, door. Karbi penke inghap, inghap. Inghap means door. Window, window. Karbi penke munhap, munhap. Munhap means window. Road, road. Karbi penke towar, towar. Towar means road. Lentana camera, lentana camera. Karbi penke Jerman sudo, Jerman sudo. Pineapple, pineapple. Karbi penke parok jang phong, parok jang phong. Apple, apple. Karbi penke thetabi, thetabi. Thetabi means apple. Phone, phone. Karbi penke sepalat, sepalat. Money, money. Money means tangka, tangka. Ring, ring. Karbi penke arnan, arnan. Earrings, earrings. No jangsai, no jangsai. Necklace, necklace. Leg, leg. Bracelets, bracelets. Karbi penke Roy, Roy. Garland, garland. Karbi penke mira leg, mira leg. Lie, lie. Karbi penke belen, belen. Mate cobai phantang pudam. So, so. Karbi penke korot, korot. Hammer, hammer. Karbi penke kibu, kibu. Sword, sword. Karbi penke coy, coy. That's all for today. Subscribe now and see you next video. Thanks for watching.